Telegram allows channel owners to switch between a public and private channel whenever needed. This gives you the flexibility to control who can find and join your channel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to change your channel type on Telegram Web. To get started, open the channel whose type you want to change from your chat list. Make sure you're signed in to the account that owns or manages the channel, as only users with the appropriate permissions can modify the channel settings. Next, click the Edit button to enter the channel's editing options. Here, you'll find several settings that allow you to customize your channel. Look for the Channel Type option and click on it. Telegram will display the current privacy setting for your channel, along with the available options. If your channel is currently private and you'd like anyone to be able to find it through Telegram search, select Public Channel. When you switch to a public channel, Telegram will ask you to choose a unique username. This username becomes part of your channel's public link, so choose one that's easy to remember and related to your channel's name or content. If the username is already taken, you'll need to try another one until you find one that's available. If your channel is currently public and you'd prefer to limit access, select Private Channel instead. A private channel won't appear in Telegram search results, and people can only join if they receive an invitation link from you or another administrator with permission to invite members. After selecting the channel type you want, review the settings to make sure everything looks correct. Then, click the Confirmation button. Telegram will immediately apply the new channel type, and the updated privacy setting will take effect right away. If you change the channel to public, you can begin sharing the public link with anyone you'd like to invite. If you changed it to private, Telegram will provide an invitation link that you can share with the people you want to give access to the channel. You can return to these settings at any time if your needs change in the future. Whether you're growing your audience with a public channel or keeping discussions exclusive with a private one, Telegram makes it easy to update your channel's visibility whenever necessary. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to change your channel type on Telegram Web. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.